This is Broken Arrow, and we are following Juan. Fantastic rider. This is one of my favorite trails here. I know that Jack of Diamonds and Brian's Return gets a lot of love, but man, Broken Arrow is just legendary. Fantastic, great line. So Juan's a local here, so it's good if you're following his lines. He puts them down good. I don't know if I can hold this wheel, but we'll do our best. Oh, he's cooking. Nice job, Juan. So one of the things about Trexler, it takes a while to get used to the terrain. It's very shaly, loose. If you've ridden at Blue Mountain, the ski resort, it's kind of like that. So it takes you a while to get used to your tire slipping. But once you realize that your tire will catch nice and it's not going to slip completely out, that's when you can start opening it up. All right, we got a turn coming up here, and then it starts to shoot down into a nice big berm at the end. Poor Juan's pushing a big bike today. Stick picked it up, he said it was heavy. But he's killing it on the downhills. There's a couple of big berms coming up. Oh, wrong gear. Let's finish it strong, Juan. You got this, brother. Yeah. Here we go. This is the first big one. Nice. And then here's the second. There was an alt line to the left there. Oh yeah, fantastic. And there you have it. That was Broken Arrow. Then you could take this out. Unfortunately, there's a huge fire road climb at the end of this, but yeah, one of my favorite trails, Broken Arrow. Thank you, Juan. That was awesome, brother.